Hi everyone, today we have a patient post 1 day Smart FUE procedure. He had done 2000 graft yesterday. Macam mana you punya experience you bila you lalui Smart FUE dengan kita semalam?
Okay, experience was good. I was fully awake the whole time, and it started off really early in the morning. But I think because of the staff, they were so dedicated. They explained to me the whole procedures. They talked to me and also answer all the questions that I asked them.
Pas you balik tu, you ada rasa macam sakit sangat ke? Tidur tu mesti susah sikit ke? Macam mana you rasa semalam?
Sakit tak sangat. It's just that I felt that my kepala is a bit heavy, which I think is normal. Lepas tu tidur pula, I rasa macam because I kena change I punya tidur position
kan? Position
so
tu penting,
leher tu rasa ni but it was okay lah, it was okay. It's just a matter of time to get used to it. Thank you, GLOJAS.